Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Upon launching Magiclight, the initial interface presents character creation options. The Create New Character button is prominently highlighted as the primary action. This button serves as the starting point for the character design process. The Character Customization panel enables users to modify features such as facial structure, body type, and clothing. Real-time feedback demonstrates the immediate impact of each customization setting. Users can fine-tune detailed parameters to achieve personalized character appearances. Characters can be saved as templates for future use after creation. The Save Character function allows naming and storing characters for easy access. Saved characters can be easily accessed in subsequent projects.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.